So yeah, I'd sing my breath, set up for you. Do-do-do-do. See it through.
Hello, teacher. Teacher,
Hello, my dear Cookie. Actually, honey, I muted my mic because when you were still not here, I was singing. I was singing, and you know that the Zoom automatically records everything, right? Right from the moment teacher opens the Zoom, it automatically like records everything. So I was singing. So I forgot to yeah. Actually, if you're going to watch our video later, honey, after our class, you will know.
yes,
You will see that I sang I sang a song. Okay, anyway, Cookie, how's your day today?
I have a normal day, and today I have a basketball competition with my brother class.
You played?
I play with my brother class.
Ah, huh? You
Um,
played with your brother's classmates?
no, my like my brother is in ring 7, and I is in ring 6. But my
Mm-hmm.
school is like ring 6 is like have a competition with
Mm.
ring 7.
Ah,
It random.
ah, it's grade 6 versus grade 7. Yeah.
Yes,
Ah,
but
and he
but
won.
some class have VS with ring 6,
That's a
and
grade
I
6.
lost and I lost.
Why did you lose? Huh? You're the grade 6, right? You're the grade 6. You're grade
Yes,
6. And your
yes,
brother is grade 7. Your
yes,
brother. Oh, then you lost. Why did you
yes,
lose? Why did you
yes.
lose?
Because my like my like my classmate play with me is don't know anything about the basketball, so I do all this. So
Hmm.
I do all this, and I and I lost
Okay,
lose.
wait. Honey, wait for. Okay. Hold on, honey. My mother just came in and she want me to save 600 pesos to her account. So yeah. I don't understand why you lost because you're grade 6, right? And then the winner is grade 6. The winner is grade 6.
No, my class is in grade 6 and my brother
Oh,
is in
grade
grade
7.
yes, and they have a competition to VS with and 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 some my class is
Mhm.
anyone can play basketball, so I only know about this, so I can so I lose.
Ah, but you're not actually the one who plays, right? You're not the one
Yes,
who played.
yeah,
Ah, it's the other people. It's the other
yeah,
people, honey. But honey, are there also basketball competition there for girls? Like, it's the
yes,
girls who plays.
uh,
Really? Do you play?
yeah. I play today. I play.
Whoa! Really? Ah, so you played. You played. You
Yes,
played?
yes,
Ah, that's why you said you lost. That's why you said you lost, honey. Yeah?
yes.
Ah, okay, 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 okay. I understand now. So you're kind of sad about it.
No, I don't because yesterday when I say I play with like class my brother class and I also think I lost.
Really? Really?
Yes,
You know what, honey? I am really amazed with girls who can play basketball. Like, it's really amazing. Like, it is very, very amazing. I don't know how to play. Like, I don't know how to play basketball. Like, I think it's hard. Is it? Is it?
I can play a little bit,
Yeah?
a
It's
little
hard?
bit, a little bit. No, no, it's very hard, but I can play a little bit of this.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, honey, have you eaten dinner already?
Not yet.
Not yet. Oh man. So I think you just came from school, right? Honey, wait
Yeah,
for a while. I will just send money to my cousin, okay? Because my
yeah,
aunt sent me money and then she wants me to send the money to my cousin. So I will
yeah.
send the money to him. Hold on. Let me send 150. 150 pesos. Actually, it's just a small amount of money, honey,
Yes,
but he needs it. Maybe for food.
yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. So teacher's now going to share the screen, honey, okay? I will
Yes.
be now sharing the screen and now we're going to have our material. Material. Okay. So last time, honey, we had the useful vocabularies. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we already had the sprawling city, the office block, the inner city, the tourist attraction, but we aren't done yet with what is that, honey? Can you read that one?
The
Pace.
pace of life.
Very good. The pace of life. Or in Vietnamese, what is it? Because it's in only in Vietnamese, honey.
It nhịp sống. Ờ, nhịp sống. Ờ,
Uh-huh. What
nhịp
does it mean?
sống.
Okay, okay, okay. In English, if you're going to explain it in English, how would you explain it in English, honey?
Uh, it like
Mhm.
the 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 pace of life is
What does it
mean
mean? Yeah.
like 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 I don't know how to explain it.
Okay, that is okay, honey. I know it is actually it is actually very hard to this is actually very hard to explain. So, pace of life, honey, is how do you say that? Speed. You know the speed, right, honey? Do you know what the speed means? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
the speed at which people live, including how busy or how fast or how relaxed daily activities feel, honey. The pace of life. Yeah. I don't know if you understand, my dear, but for example, life in the countryside has a lower pace of life than the
yeah,
city. Yeah, right? Yeah, right?
yeah,
Yeah. But um um the daily life, how do I say this? Life in the city is faster. Ah, no. The life in the city has a faster pace of life than in the countryside, right?
yes,
Yes. Yeah. So I think you understand the pace of life, honey, right?
yeah, yes.
Yes. Okay, now let's move forward. Next to the pace of life, oh, we also
The
have the
lively equal
bustling.
buzzing and equal vibrate.
Okay, honey, what do we mean when we say the word lively? What is lively?
The lively
Mhm.
it mean it mean I don't know how to do that.
Okay, thank you so much, honey. But lively means full of energy. It's
Yeah,
full of energy, honey. There's like full of activity, honey, full of excitement. That's lively. Okay, for
yeah,
example, if you see your teacher very like if you see your teacher, honey, having a lot of energy, that means you can say my teacher is very lively. That means your teacher has a lot of energy, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Now, honey, please make a sentence. Oh, please make a sentence using the word lively. I want you to make a sentence using the word lively, my dear.
Yeah.
Okay.
My my mm, my 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 friend is very
Lively.
lively when she she have a high skirt.
Very good. But how about you, honey? When do you feel lively? When do
When
you
I
feel like, yes?
when I get up,
Ah, get up from sleep? From
yes,
sleeping? Ah, okay. Me, I am super lively, honey, after eating. You know what?
yes,
When I don't, you know what, honey? When I don't eat, I am so weak.
yes,
I feel very weak when I don't eat. How about you, honey? That's what I feel. You also feel the same way? Like,
yes,
feeling weak if you
yes.
don't eat. Yeah, I really feel that one, honey. Okay. Anyway, we have the next to the lively, honey, which is bustling. The bustling,
Cause
honey. Yes. Do you know what it means?
it is the same of the lively.
Mhm. Yes, bustling, honey, is full of activity. It's just like actually, it's just similar to lively, honey. When we say bustling, it's full of for example, um, Cookie is bustling. What does it mean? What does it mean?
It means cookie have a lot of energy. A lot. Yes,
Yes. Very good. You have a lot of activities for the day, honey. You're very busy. You have a lot of activity. And we can also use the word bustling, honey, when we describe a place. It's actually specifically used to describe a place, honey. For example, the city, honey. I want you to make a sentence using the word city and the bustling. Connect these two words.
the
The
mall and the
city is okay.
uh, the mall and the city is also bustling in the weekend.
Very good. Exactly. That is it, honey. It's full of the Also, honey, bustling isn't just about full of activity, honey, but it could also describe the noise. Bustling means it's very noisy.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next to the bustling, honey, we have the, how do you read this?
Vibrant.
Yes, vibrant. What do we mean when we say the word vibrant, honey? What is vibrant?
Vibrant is lively.
Yes, also the same, honey. Full of life, full of energy, full, very, very strong. And it also means bright, it has bright colors, honey. Yeah, it has full bright colors. For example, my house is vibrant. What does it mean?
It means your house have a lot of color.
Very good. Yes. Cookie's house is very vibrant. Or your background right now, honey. Yeah, the Shinchan, crayon Shinchan, right? That one is crayon Shinchan. Yeah, yeah. Cookie's Cookie's Zoom background is very vibrant. It's full of life. Yeah. You could also actually use this one, not just you could actually use this word actually also, honey, not just for the for a person or for people, but also for a place.
Yeah.
No, not just for a place, but a person. Yeah, for example, Cookie looks vibrant. Yeah, you're full
Like
of
you
energy.
look very have a lot of color.
Not, no, no, no. That's just not a lot of color. It means honey, you're full of life. You know, you're very energetic and you look so strong. You're
Yeah.
vibrant. Yeah. Okay. But if you're going to describe a place, it usually means that the place has full of colors. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next one, we have the last one, my dear. What
Quiet.
is this? Quiet.
It made a little bit.
Mhm.
A little bit. It
What does it
it
mean?
it made it made a little bit of anything. Like I have a I have a no, yeah, I think so.
It's okay. Try. Okay, give me
No,
an example. Sentence, honey. Give me a sentence.
I feel quite fun today.
Okay, that is correct. Okay, quiet, honey, means making little noise. I mean, making little noise or making no noise at all. It means calm. It means peaceful. Yeah, my room is quiet. That means my room is not noisy. It's not loud. Okay? Okay. All right. Next one, honey. We have the word. What is that?
Peaceful.
Peaceful. Okay. What is peaceful, honey? What do you think is peaceful?
Peaceful is like don't make anything. Don't make not anything.
Yeah, just like quiet, actually, honey. Peaceful means calm. Peaceful means quiet. And then free from disturbance, honey. It's free from disturbance. No one can disturb you because the place is peaceful. No one can disturb you because your house is very peaceful. Okay? Yes. Okay, now let's have the next one, honey. The next one is, how do you read this one?
Tranquil.
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 Yeah, what does it mean, honey?
It means like peaceful.
Yes, that's actually the same, honey. It's calm, it's quiet, and it's free from, yeah, peaceful and tranquil, honey, has the same um meaning. Okay. Anyway, let's go, honey. Let's have the first one. The first one is, let's read again.
The sprawling city.
Very good. Next one.
A fixed block inner city. Tourist attraction piece of pace of
Pace.
life, pace of life, lively, hustling, and vibrant, quiet, peaceful,
Tranquil.
tranquil.
Okay. Let's have this one, honey. Before answering the question, honey, take a look at the picture and kindly explain and kindly describe what the people are doing in the picture, honey.
They are like they they are do anything in the farm.
Yes, they are farming. They are harvesting what, honey? What are they harvesting?
They're harvesting the 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 the, the, the fruit.
Yes, very good. Or vegetables, I think.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Yeah, but they are farmers and they are doing farming. Okay, now what do people in your town do, honey? What do people in your town do?
My people, my people in my people in my town, they do a lot of a lot of things like uh they sell some traditional food. They sell fruit
Mm-hmm.
and and they are and there are some people eat a machine.
Really? Okay, thank you so much, my dear, for that one. Honey, I will just go to the toilet, okay? Wait for me.
Machine that eats some. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you so much, honey. Now, let's move forward to this one. Please read the question, honey.
Uh, 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 are there any change you would like to make in your hometown? What is it?
Okay, what's your
I
answer?
don't want. I want to change my house because it's very small.
You want to change your house?
No, I don't. No,
Ah,
I want to my house big more.
you want it to be bigger? Like that?
Yeah.
That's just something that you want to change in your hometown, honey, and it's your house.
Mm.
Are there a lot of stores in your hometown, honey? Are there many toys in I mean stores in your hometown?
I have yet and I have two supermarkets.
Mm-hmm. Oh, really, honey? Well, me, honey, for me, I think in my hometown, I think I would like to add more stores here, more convenience store in my hometown, honey. Yeah, more more coffee shops. Yeah, that's something I would like to add or to change here in in my place. Yeah.
What cafe do you like best, teacher?
Coffee shop. A coffee shop, honey. With you
What
know, huh?
what is the name? What is the name?
If I'm going to choose a coffee shop, honey, I would like to choose, and not really I just want local shops, honey. Coffee shops. Yeah. I just want, yeah, just local cafe, honey. Just it. Not the famous one like Starbucks or Highland, because my hometown is just really poor. It's not really that um this hometown is not really rich. So I would like to have, or to I just like this hometown to have, simple cafes, simple stores, but a lot. Yeah, because you know what, honey? I need to go to a very far away place, honey, that takes me 30 minutes or 1 hour, honey, to be just for a coffee, just to be in
Yeah.
a coffee shop. So I want to have a coffee shop here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you're going to talk about a place like most in your hometown, honey, okay? You're going to describe the place. Where is it? What is special about it? And explain why you like it. Okay?
I like my house.
Describe, honey, your home. Okay. Now, you describe the place. Where is it, honey? And what is special about it? What is special? Okay. You start from the very beginning. This is 1, 2,
Uh,
3, and 4.
the a place that I like most in my hometown is my house. It's in the hometown, and 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 it has very special because I can sleep. I can do anything in there, and I like it because I can sleep and do anything I want. I
Mm,
want.
okay, thank you so much, honey. Okay, and then why do you like it, honey? Again, why do you like it?
Because I can sleep, I can
Mhm.
eat, I can do anything in my house.
And that's something special about your house, honey. Yeah.
Mm.
Well,
It have it have my family.
yes, that's something special about your house. Okay, thank you so much, honey. That's correct. Okay, well, for me, honey, yes, the special place in my heart here, honey, in my hometown is, of course, my house, not other places, because there's actually there are beautiful places here in my hometown, honey, but nothing really special, nothing really special. So I choose my house too. You have such a good answer, Cookie. Now we're going to have the speaking part too.
Don't make the question. Don't make the question. Don't make the question.
Let's see.
Uh,
Oh no! You're going to make the question and answer the questions too. But before that, please read what's written in the prompt card.
Paul and she out of the light in the primary school on 10 July. The storm written by students in class 8. Get your ticket now. 2.50 pounds.
Okay, now let's start with question number 1, my dear Cookie.
What is the name of the school play?
What is the name of the school play?
Teacher, did you sing?
What?
Teacher, you taught me last time you sing. What is the song do you sing?
Me?
Yes.
Here. It is, let me search I don't actually, it is actually very famous in TikTok, honey. So I just searched it. I just searched, it's Die on This Hill. Die on
Die
This
on
Hill, yeah, by Sienna Spiro here. You search it later. This.
die. Can you tap
I
it?
know. Yes. Nothing could matter. Okay, that one. Die on This Hill.
Yes.
To you, I take my breath.
Do you want to be a singer? Because I think you are very good at sing.
No, I'm old enough, honey, to be a singer, to be a famous singer. So I don't know. I don't think I will have a chance to be a singer. Maybe if I'm going to be famous.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, honey, let's have number 2. Question 2.
Question 2 is where is the school play?
Do you think I have a good voice, honey?
Yes.
Really? Okay, let's have the third one.
Third one is what is the writer of the school? Who is the writer of the screenplay?
Okay. Who is?
Is
Yeah. Who is the writer? The writer of the school play. Have taken a breath. Next one, ticket.
ticket is how much is the ticket?
How much? Okay, how much is the ticket? 5.
5 is what is the date? What is the date? What is the day? What is the day the school play located? No, what is the place? What is the date? I don't know, teacher.
When is the date? Yeah,
And
when
is
is the date of the school play? Yes. Okay. Let's have question number 1, honey. Let's answer question number 1.
Question number 1 is
What is the name of the school play?
the name of the school play is the name of the school play is The Storm, right?
Is the mayor Yes. Is the storm. Okay. 2. Where is the school play?
The school play is the school play is in I don't know. Yes, in the Queen Mary School.
Yes. Okay, next. Who is the writer of the school play?
The writer of the school play is not the writer by the student in class 8.
Uh-huh.
I thought that the writer by the student in class 8.
Yes. The writers, okay, let's say the writers of the school play are the students. Yeah.
A student in class 8.
Yes, in class 8. Next one. How much is the ticket?
The 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 ticket is £2.50.
Yes, the ticket costs.
The ticket costs £2.50.
Next, when is the date of the play?
The day of the play is 10 and July.
Yeah, is on
Our
10th
day
of
of
10th
July.
of July. Okay, thank you so much, Shanina. Let's read your answers. Let's start with number 1. What is the name of the school play?
The name of the school play is The Storm.
Okay, the storm. Next one. Where is the school play?
The school place is in Queen Mary School.
Very good. Next, who is the writer of the school play?
The writer of the school play are the students in class 8.
How much is the ticket?
The ticket costs £2.50.
Okay, next, when is the date of the school play?
The date of the play is on 10th of July.
Okay, very good. Okay, honey, now let's move forward to the next material. I mean, next page. Why did I say next material? Okay, next page. Okay, here, honey, you have to read the what's written in the prompt card, please, honey.
Yes, new college shop opposite library. This week only everything half price. Monday to Saturday. Yeah. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for paper, pen, bag, and more. Manager Tom Green.
Yes. Honey, I'm sorry, but I think what I wrote a while ago is wrong. So if we're going to include is the, it should be what? What is the date of the school play? But if you're going to use when, we're going to say it like this. When is the school play? Okay? I forgot. We're going to use what, honey, if we have the word is the date. Okay, what is the date of the school play? But we're going to use the when, honey, when these words are not, the word play is not in the sentence, okay? When is the school play? Okay. Anyway, honey, we just have seconds left. We only have seconds left, honey. So thank you so much, my dear, for your time, and we're going to meet again next meeting. Bye bye, honey. Love you.
Sure, goodbye.
You did so well. Bye bye.